Hello, first grade. So this is called an interest inventory. All that means is what I like. What do you like? So you start off by putting your name on here and how old you are in first grade and your teacher. Then the directions say, what interests you? Think about these topics and then color or put a check in the box that best describes how you feel about each topic. So what you do is you look at these pictures and then you decide, oh, I really like them. Or, they're okay. Or, don't like them at all. So let's take, I'm just going to start with zebras. Miss Clardy really likes zebras. So I would make a mark right here. Because if I look up here, it says I like them. Okay? Now let's say Miss Clardy doesn't like insects because I think of mosquitoes. Would I mark this box, or this box? Probably this one. So what you do is then you go down all these pictures and decide either I like them, they're okay, or I don't like them. Now, if you see a picture that you don't really know what it is, like I'm looking at this picture, I don't really know what it is, you don't have to answer it. You don't have to answer everything. It says scary things over there, but let's say I'm just looking at the pictures. You don't have to answer it. You can get someone that lives at your house to help you with this, okay? Because other things they ask, is there a topic not listed here that you're interested in? And you can either write it or draw it. And for me, I might put photography or taking pictures. So I might draw a picture of a camera here, or I might put roller skating, might draw a picture of roller skates over here, or something else that I might be interested in. So you get to either draw a picture or write it there. What do you collect? Some people collect things, like some people collect stamps, some people collect other things. What do you like to do? Again, color or put a check in the box that best describes how much you like to do an activity. Now, this you'll probably have to have someone read to you. But this should be a fun activity. This is just all about what you like. Okay? If you want to start before you have someone at home, just start with these boxes. Because you could look at the pictures and decide either I like them a lot or ugh. Okay? So that is your assignment for this week. And then in the future, we will be meeting on Mondays. If you have questions, I have office hours on Monday, Wednesday, or Friday at 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock.